Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through an honest review of Higgsfield AI, breaking down its real pros and cons so you can decide whether it's actually worth using. Higgsfield AI is getting a lot of attention lately, especially for its video-focused features and the way it mixes creativity with fast generation tools. But once you spend more time with it, you begin to notice where it shines and where it still needs a lot of improvement. Let's start with the pros. One of the most impressive strengths of Higgsfield AI is how good it is at creating short, dynamic video content. It's built with a strong focus on motion, characters, and scenes, and it can turn prompts into clips that actually feel alive. For people making social media content, ads, or quick creative projects, Higgsfield performs surprisingly well, especially compared to many AI tools that struggle with consistent motion. Another major pro is the speed. The platform generates previews quickly, and even the full clips don't take as long as you might expect, which makes the workflow feel smooth if you're experimenting with multiple ideas. Another advantage is the user interface. It's simple and organized, so even beginners can find their way around without feeling overwhelmed. You don't need deep technical knowledge to start making videos, which gives Higgsfield a more accessible feel than some of the bigger AI video platforms. It also supports a wide range of styles, from realistic to animated, giving users a lot of flexibility for creative projects. And many people appreciate how responsive the platform is to prompts. Small changes in wording can lead to noticeably different results, which is helpful if you're trying to fine-tune a specific idea. Now let's get into the cons, because Higgsfield AI definitely has areas where it struggles. One of the biggest drawbacks is consistency. While it can create good movement, it sometimes has trouble keeping characters stable throughout a clip, especially if the prompt is detailed or involves complex scenes. Faces can shift slightly or change expression unexpectedly, which can be distracting if you're aiming for polished, professional footage. Another common issue is accuracy. Higgsfield sometimes mixes up proportions, objects, or small details, so you may need several attempts to get the exact result you want. Another con is that some of the platform's best features are locked behind higher-tier plans. If you're using the free version or a basic plan, you might feel limited in clip length, quality, or generation speed. This can be frustrating for creators who need longer or higher resolution videos. And while Higgsfield is strong with movement, it's not always reliable with realism. Certain scenes may look smooth, but not fully natural, especially when dealing with hands, backgrounds, or multi-character shots. Another thing to consider is that because Higgsfield focuses heavily on video creation, it doesn't offer the same range of writing, research, or multi-purpose tools that other AI platforms do. If you're looking for an all-in-one AI assistant, Higgsfield won't replace that. It's more of a specialized tool, great for visual creativity, but limited outside that space. Finally, the platform is still evolving, which means updates can sometimes change features suddenly or introduce new bugs. And depending on your region, support response times can feel slow when you run into problems or need help understanding certain settings. Overall, Higgsfield AI is a promising and powerful tool for creators who want quick, stylish video generation without deep technical work. It's fast, flexible, and fun to experiment with, but it comes with limitations in realism, consistency, and available features depending on your plan. If you need a dedicated AI video creator, Higgsfield is definitely worth trying. But if you want perfect accuracy or professional-grade stability, you may need to combine it with other tools to get the best results. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.